Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to find the surface area of a triangular prism. Now before moving on to the problem of surface area, we first must know that in total there are 5 faces present in a triangular prism. So you have to learn to visualize the diagram. So now let us see how many faces are there and inspect each one of them. First of all, we can see that the triangular prism is actually made up of two triangles, as you can see over here. One is over here and another triangle is over here. Now, these two are the same triangles, so they both will have the same dimension. Now, on the other hand, you have three more faces over here. Number one is one rectangle you can see on the other side of the triangular prism, and another rectangle is making up the front side of the prism. And also there is another rectangle which is at the bottom. So in total there are 5 faces, out of which 2 are triangles, as you can see over here, 1, 2, and the other 3 faces, one we can say in the left, one in the right, and another at the bottom. So now we have 2 triangles and 3 rectangles. So this sums up our total number of faces for a surface for the triangular prism. Now, in order to calculate the surface area of the triangular prism, we need to know the basic formula for the triangle and the rectangle. So now let us visualize the figure and do it. Let us first find out the area for the 2 triangles. So we can write over here area of triangles. So we know the formula for the triangle is going to be base times height divided by 2, right? Exactly. So now let us visualize the triangle over here, and let me draw it for you one more time. Over here you see that the lengths over here are each 9 centimeter, so I level them as 9 each. Over here you can see that the base is going to be 15. The base over here is 15, so the base in this triangle is 15, and the height of the triangle is given as 5 centimeter. So the height of the triangle is 5 centimeter. It is always easier when you draw the faces separately for you to know all the dimensions. Now, as we know that this triangle is same as the triangle on the other side, we can multiply this formula with 2 directly. As a result, we find the faces of the 2 triangles altogether. And this multiplication of 2 makes our life more easier, because now we can cancel this 2 out. As a result, the base of the triangle is going to be 15 and the height of the triangle is going to be 5. So we insert this in the formula and we figure out that we end up with 75 centimeters square. Now we are done with 2 faces. We are left with 3 more faces. So we have to examine and inspect the 3 faces. We can see that there are rectangles on each of the side. One on the left side and another on the right side. So as I can visualize that these 2 rectangles are going to be similar. So what I can do, I will first draw the triangle, and I will write over here in the rectangles that one is having a dimension of 20 centimeter. As you can see over here, 20 centimeter. I put it over here, and now another dimension I have for this rectangle is 9 centimeter, which you can visualize in the diagram. So here I have 9 centimeter. Now, as a result, I have got these 2 same rectangles on both sides, one on the left and the other on the right. So now I will try to find out the area of these 2 rectangles together, because I know my length is going to be 20 and my width is going to be 9, and this will give me the area for one rectangle, but I want to find the 2 similar rectangles together. So I will multiply 2 times length times width. So as a result, it will be 2 times length is going to be 20 centimeter and the width is 9. As a result, I will get my answer as 360 centimeters square. Now, if you inspect the problem properly, you are going to see that I have already calculated the surface area, the area of two triangles, and I have also calculated the area for two rectangles. But we are still left with one more rectangle. So what is that rectangle? That rectangle is at the bottom of the triangular prism over here, as you can see. So what are the dimensions? If you observe very carefully, you know the length of the bottom rectangle is 20 and the width of the bottom rectangle is going to be 15. So let us draw the rectangle over here and find the area. So we are doing it for the rectangle at the bottom. So we give the name as the bottom rectangle, and so we know the length is going to be 20 as I have shown you already, and the 15 is going to be the width. Again, over here we are going to apply for the formula for the area of rectangle, which is going to be length times width. So here we will have 15 times 20. As a result, our answer for this would be 300 centimeters square. Now, we have calculated the area for each of the faces individually. Now it's time for us to calculate the total surface area. So the total surface area is going to be the sum of all the areas that we have found. This 75 centimeters square, this 360 centimeters square, and 300 centimeters square, because they give us the area for all the 5 faces. As a result, if we just add them up over here like this, we are going to get the surface area and the total surface area of the triangular prism, which turns out to be 735 centimeters square. Hope you enjoyed the video and you have learned how to find the surface area of a rectangular prism. See you in the next video. Bye bye.